Good morning, Namaste, hello to all. My name is Dr. Pankaj Talwar and I welcome you back again to our YouTube channel called Matritva, in which we discuss about your common queries about IVF. आज का जो विषय इसके बारे में हम आपसे बात करना चाहते हैं दैट इज़ कॉल्ड PCOD और PCOS. हमें बहुत फ़ोन आते हैं, आप हमसे क्वेरी करते हैं कि PCOD या PCOS क्या होता है. So when you go to the doctor and when they examine you and carry out your ultrasound, they give a diagnosis called PCOD. You are quite surprised कि मैं तो बिल्कुल ठीक थी, ये PCOD क्या होता है. So we have to understand the term called PCOD and then we have to understand that how can you become pregnant with the PCOD. तो जो आज का विषय रहेगा आपसे बात करने का, that would be how to get pregnant with PCOS or PCOD. So after we define PCOD, then I'll take your other queries. Very commonly you ask us, आप जानना चाहते हैं क्या PCOD मेरी फर्टिलिटी को अफेक्ट करता है? Can I become pregnant with the PCOD? Is PCOD cancerous? Is PCOD treatable? So we'll take all these queries one by one. So first of all, हम ये जानना चाहेंगे कि PCOD होता क्या है? Now this is a condition in which the ovaries of a young woman become large. It's a very common condition और आप इस बीमारी में अकेले नहीं हैं. In fact, it affects a large number of the young girls and the ladies who want to become pregnant. In this condition, the lady normally has irregular periods. जो आपका पीरियड का जो ड्यूरेशन है वो बढ़ जाता है. नंबर एक. नंबर दो, it may lead to some amount of hair growth and acne on your face. जब चेहरे पे एक्ने आता है या फिर एक बियर्ड एरिया के अंदर हेयर ग्रोथ होती है, दैट कैन बी अ मार्कर ऑफ PCOS. नंबर तीन, जो बहुत कॉमन है, इसके अंदर किसी भी यंग गर्ल का या लेडी का वेट बढ़ना शुरू हो जाता है. सो जब ये तीनों चीज़ें साथ में आती हैं और व्हेन वी कैरी आउट योर अल्ट्रासाउंड, यू फाइंड दैट योर ओवरीज हैव बिकम polycystic. It means that ovaries have got large number of follicles. We call it a polycystic ovarian disease. You have to know that PCOS is a completely treatable condition. इसमें आपको वरी करने का ज़रूरत नहीं है. So how do we handle when a woman comes to us with PCOS? First of all, we have to see her weight. अगर हम overweight हैं तो हमको अपना वेट कम करना है और तकरीबन 4 या 5% वेट कम करने पर ही हमको इसके अंदर बेहतरीन आउटकम मिलना शुरू हो जाता है. सो PCOS इज नॉर्मली डायग्नोस्ड बाय डूइंग एन अल्ट्रासाउंड एंड इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन योर क्लिनिकल प्रेजेंटेशन ऑल्सो, विच कम्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ इरेगुलर पीरियड्स. सो व्हेन यू गो टू द डॉक्टर, हमें क्या करना चाहिए कि हमारी फर्टिलिटी पोटेंशियल बढ़े और PCOD के साथ हार्म मत हो. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, हमको अपना BMI कम करना है. बॉडी मास इंडेक्स is a marker of obesity. So we have to look after our BMI and bring it to around 28 to 30. Number two, we have to lead a healthy lifestyle and we have to rule out certain diseases. जो common बीमारियाँ जो कि PCOD के साथ में आती हैं, ये बीमारियाँ हैं थायराइड की बीमारी, जिसके अंदर आपके बॉडी का TSH levels they go very high and they can all lead to multiple problems along with PCODs. Number two, we have to check our levels of prolactin, which we commonly call as PRL. And number three, we have to rule out lack of vitamin D3 in the body, for which we carry out the blood test. So अगर हमको PCOS है और इसके साथ में we have a thyroid or prolactin or hypovitaminosis D, they have to be corrected before we move further and start treating you. हम ऐसे क्या एहतियात लें कि PCOD हमारी बॉडी को अफेक्ट ना करे. इसके लिए we have to lose weight. Try to lose around 8 to 10% of your body weight in coming 2 or 3 months, and that will help you to have better outcome in the fertility treatment. We have to rule out diabetes by doing our blood sugar levels. So ये चार चीज़ें जो हमको हमेशा ध्यान में रखनी है PCOD होने के साथ, ये चार चीज़ें हैं ब्लड शुगर, थायराइड, प्रोलैक्टिन एंड विटामिन डी डेफिशिएंसी. ये चारों कंडीशंस जो PCOD के साथ में आती हैं, सो किसी भी लेडी के अंदर एग नहीं बनता है. दिस मीन्स दैट शी इज़ नॉट एबल टू ओवुलेट एंड व्हेन शी कांट ओवुलेट इट कैन अफेक्ट हर फर्टिलिटी पोटेंशियल. जो पहला स्टेप जो हम लेते हैं normally in a young woman who comes with PCOD is that we carry out our HSG, that is called hysterosalpingogram, in which we carry out your tubal patency testing. अगर आपकी ट्यूब्स खुली हैं then normally we are not worried about the PCOS much and we can help you with the multiple types of drug therapies. The women who have PCOD they have a peculiar problem of anovulation. ऐसा क्यों होता है? जब किसी की ओवरीज के अंदर मल्टीपल फॉलिकल बनते हैं the levels of estrogen or estradiol goes very high, and when the levels of estradiol goes very high, it affects the brain and the ovaries both, and the result she doesn't form a healthy follicle which should be forming on day 12 to day 14 of every cycle. ऐसी लेडीज के अंदर मल्टीपल फॉलिकल्स बनते हैं और वो छोटे रहते हैं और कभी भी एक मैच्योरिटी के लेवल पे नहीं पहुंच पाते हैं, और ऐसा होने से she won't ovulate and that will affect your fertility potential. So as a doctor, my role would be, first of all, I rule out multiple diseases in you, as I have told you, establish that your tubes are open, carry out an ultrasound and look at your uterine lining. Normally हम भी देखते हैं कि the ladies who have got PCOS, उनका जो uterine की जो lining होती है, that is always very thick and they have endometrial hyperplasia. So we have to treat the uterine lining, we have to treat the ovaries and use some drugs so that you ovulate and have normal periods. So it's very easy to treat the PCOS patients in case you support us and lose some weight and correct your metabolic disorders. So the main role of doctors would be to make you ovulate. And how do we do it? It's very simple. We give you some oral tablets like clomiphene or letrozole for 5 days, and then we do routine ultrasounds for you at interval of 1 or 2 days, and we establish the day when you're ovulating. And after that, either you can be with your husband or we can carry out some sort of intervention like IUI for you. But it's very important for you to date your cycles and establish the day when you're ovulating. Normally हम भी देखते हैं कि PCOD patients के अंदर ovulation may occur at any time. Normally it occurs late, and as a result you don't know when you both have to be together. This can be corrected by giving some hormonal tablets like clomiphene and letrozole. So we can try 4 to 5 IUIs for you, and in case we don't succeed, then we shift to IVF. The only main issue with the PCOD patients is that they can overstimulate. They can get hyperstimulated and develop ovarian hyperstimulation syndrome, and there's a possibility they can also have multiple pregnancies. So these things have to be kept in mind, and in case you follow our instructions, I am very, very sure that PCOD can be very easily treated and the outcome can be very, very good. I am sure you would have learned something from this talk, and we are always available to help you. We are available 24/7. And if you like this video, please share and subscribe, and always feel free to communicate with us. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.